Here's some pro tips on how to make it look like you're wearing false lashes. You'll never do your mascara the same way again. First, you want to prep your eyelids. Even though we're just doing mascara, this really brightens up the whole eye. I'll be showing you the difference between the two eyes with this technique as well. Then you want to set your eyelids with some powder so there's no creasing. Now you have a bright blank canvas. Grab your favorite eyelash curler and you're going to warm it up with a blow dryer for a few seconds. This is going to really help lift those lashes. Make sure the metal isn't too hot before placing it on your eye. Place the lash curler at the very bottom of your lashes and gently squeeze. You can squeeze a few times if you have straight lashes. You can already see the difference between the two eyes. Before we put mascara on, you want to grab a flat brush or flat angled brush. The thinner the better. We're going to line our lashes by dipping into a black eyeshadow. You want the line to be as thin as possible, so a pro tip is pat it on the back of your hand before going onto your eye. Stamp the brush on your lash line and get as close to the lash line as possible. You can also wiggle it between your lashes. This is going to make your lash line and lashes look thicker. Take your favorite black eyeliner and we're going to tightline the upper waterline. If this tickles your eyes, try looking down while doing it. This is going to make a huge difference on how thick your lashes look. If your eyes water, try just pressing the pencil along your lash line. This will help define your eyes as well. Look at the difference just these two things make. You can go back in and curl your lashes, but this is optional. Now take your favorite mascara and start by wiggling on the bottom of your lashes and pulling it up. Do that a few times to really coat your lashes. My favorite mascara right now is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Then wait a minute for the mascara to slightly dry. Go back in with the mascara and start coating the tops of your lashes. If you have brown or black eyelashes, you can just do the tips. This is going to really lengthen and thicken your eyelashes. To get that cat eye effect, make sure to brush the lashes outwards. I forgot to mention this earlier, but before you put any mascara on, make sure you wipe off any of the excess. You don't want any big clumps. Look at the difference in my eyelashes. It's crazy. To finish the bottom lashes, I like taking a different mascara wand. See how thin the telescopic is? This lets me be more precise for my lower lashes, and this is completely optional. If you're blessed with really long lower lashes and are a victim to mascara transfer, try powdering just under your mascara to prevent any transfer. I added a little bit of the Lash Paradise to the bottom. Here's a few bonus tips. Fill in your brows to really frame your eye. It will help complete the look. These little tips will make a big difference. I'm going to show you the difference by doing the other eye without these little tips. It doesn't look bad, but you will see the difference. I'm not priming my eyelid or setting it or curling my lashes. No black eyeshadow or eyeliner, but I am really coating them just so you can see the difference. Again, it doesn't look bad, but the other eye looks like I have false lashes on. Will you try this out? I want to show you one last tip. Take a light brown eyeshadow and wipe it just above your crease. This just makes your eye look bigger and is perfect if you have hooded eyes. This technique is great for anyone that doesn't like wearing false lashes but wants that false eyelash effect. What tips would you like to see next? Comment below. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Watch my other video on how to do winged liner for hooded eyes.